Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be talking to you guys about this hair that's on my head. This hair is from Sogoodhair. Comes in this cute little box. So it comes with all of the fixins, I guess. So I have a 150% density 14-inch body wave bob. So initially, when I first got it, it was like the body wave texture, which if you follow me on Instagram, then you would have seen the original body wave, because I wore it straight out of the box. I did a little bit of tweezing to the hairline, but it comes pre-tweezed, so it was super easy. I think I spent maybe like 15 minutes tweezing. I really like the hair. It's super soft, it's super like lightweight, like it feels like I don't have a lot on my head, and it's super comfortable. The cap is really comfortable. Haven't gotten any shedding other than like me tweezing. Like now I've been wearing it a few days and like it's not noticeable shedding. So far I don't have any complaints with the hair. I washed it because I was attempting to bleach the knots, and the hair texture, like the body wave came right back. It's a natural color. This is what it looks like. So yeah, I put a little bit of heat to it, did a little bit of wand curls today. I just wanted to see how it would curl. I think it curls pretty good. So on their website, it does say that the knots are already bleached. That wasn't the case when I received the wig. They aren't. In certain spots, it looks like it has been bleached, but like right in this area, right in the front, like the knots are pretty dark, so you will still have to bleach your knots. So everything on this hair, Sogoodhair, will be linked in the description box below. I do have a discount code. It's SMB10. Get $10 off your order, and then I think if you do a review on your social media, you can get $15 off your next purchase. So definitely check them out. I do recommend the hair. I think for me, since I'm still a beginner with like frontals and stuff, this wig came pre-plucked, so I really didn't have to do much with it. The lace matched my skin like really well, so I think it's a very beginner friendly wig, especially since the first day, like I attempted to bleach the knots, but I ended up getting bleach on the hair, so I had to wash it out. So I ended up just putting it on like without bleached knots, and I think it still looks pretty good. Obviously I'm still a beginner and it could look better, but you know, if you have better skills than me, then this wig is perfect for you. Yeah, and I mean the hair is like really good quality. I recommend. So yeah, I can come back in a few weeks and let you guys know like a final review if you guys want. If you want that, then just leave a comment below. Other than that, check the description box for the discount codes and the websites to this hair company and this actual wig. So there wasn't anything like any red flags when I first opened the wig. There wasn't any smells, there wasn't any shedding. The wig, there are combs and adjustable straps. I did want to mention that. It's a lace front wig, so the lace stops, so you can part it all the way back. And then there's just like tracks on the back. So this isn't a full lace wig, it's just a lace front, but it goes back pretty far. There are 2 combs. I didn't use the combs because the wig fits me like very comfortably. Sometimes the combs like hurt my head, so I don't like to use those unless I absolutely need them. There are adjustable straps in the back as well, so for some reason it's too big or whatever, you need to adjust it, you can. Yeah, I'm trying to think of everything. I feel like this is a very good beginner friendly wig. Quality is really good. Their hair has a lot of body. But yeah, like I said, I can come back in a few weeks and let you guys know my final thoughts on the wig, because it is still pretty new. But yeah, so if you have any questions, comment them below. If you have any video suggestions, comment them below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.